Hello everyone, welcome back to Thanh An Hair channel. I'm William. Today I will show you our best-selling product, Raw Vietnamese Hair Bundle. Raw Vietnamese hair is known as one of the most beautiful and the best quality in the world. And we have two textures for you, that natural straight and natural wavy. Raw Vietnamese hair is cut directly from 100% Vietnamese human hair, full cuticle line, very silky and shiny. No tangle, no shedding, with two qualities, double drawn, the most favored, and super double drawn, the thickest hair end. Natural straight. The hair is straight and thin, creating a smooth shine. Natural wavy. Hair fiber look closer than straight, creating a bossy feeling. Thanh An Hair has two types sewing, single grab and double grab. Our workers always sew very carefully and thoroughly, making sure that the hair string did not fall out the string. Yes, you can use 2 or 3 bundles to make style by your own, or you can combine 3 bundles with a closer or frontal to make a wig like this.
Oh my god! Wow!
With natural straight and natural wavy texture, you can bleach or dye to any color you want. With the correct hair care and treatment, your hair can bleach up to 630 color or honey blue color. Besides, we can customize some other color for you, such as ombre color, yellow color, or mixed color. Before shipping, we always take care the hair with the hair serum and hair oil. Then we wrap it into paper so the hair can always remain the moisture. Remember, always take care of your hair in the correct way. Customer satisfaction is Thanh An happiness. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Goodbye.